Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, dying times here.
Are you ready? Are you excited? Are you pumped up? It's Night Fright Rants. Let's get started. All right, we have Jason with the machete. We have Freddy Krueger with the razor sharp claws. We have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre with the buzzing chainsaw. And we also have Michael Myers with the knife. But one thing we are missing the victim. And the victim would sound just like this. So everybody, hang tight, sit back, and we'll be right back. Hey, welcome back. Well, don't mind me. I'm just getting ready to go fishing. This is number 6. And it's the 10 worst ways to die. Now, this takes place on the lake, and it must be spring break. This clip I'm about to show you happens to be from 2012 or 13 movie that just came out. And it's a prehistoric kind of film. It has to do with a type of fish. Now, this kind of fish is a meat eater. And I would definitely hate to get bitten by this type of fish. And that's why I got my rod and reel. And hopefully I'll catch some fish later. But the movie that I'm talking about happens to be Piranha. Now, if you haven't seen this movie, if you get a little squeamish, close your eyes because it's pretty gruesome. So, while you're watching the clip, I'm going to get my rod and reel ready to go fishing. So let's roll that clip. Well, at least I know where I could pick up some bait for my fishing. I hope you enjoyed clip number 6, the 10 worst ways to die. Next Friday, I'll have number 5. Thank you for watching.